Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a topic that affects many of us, anxiety. It's something that can have a significant impact on our daily lives, but there are ways to manage it. We've done our research and gathered some insights from reliable sources to bring you 10 effective ways to deal with anxiety. So let's get started. Number 1. Practice deep breathing exercises. According to Healthline, deep breathing can help activate your body's relaxation response, which counteracts anxiety's physical symptoms. Take slow, deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Repeat this for a few minutes whenever you feel anxious. Number 2. Engage in regular physical activity. Websites like Beyond Blue emphasize the positive effects of exercise on anxiety. Whether it's going for a jog, doing yoga, or even taking a walk. Physical activity releases endorphins and reduces stress hormones, helping you to alleviate anxiety. Number 3. Prioritize self-care. The website mind.org.uk reminds us that self-care is crucial for managing anxiety. Set aside some time for activities that bring you joy and help you relax, such as reading a book, taking a bath, or practicing mindfulness. Taking care of yourself is not selfish, but necessary for your mental well-being. Number 4. Challenge negative thoughts. Beyond Blue suggests identifying negative thought patterns and questioning their validity. Replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations and realistic perspectives. Remember, you have the power to reframe your thoughts and reduce anxiety's grip on your mind. Number 5. Get enough sleep. Sleep deprivation can exacerbate anxiety symptoms. Healthline suggests establishing a regular sleep routine, creating a comfortable sleep environment, and practicing relaxation techniques before bed. Prioritizing quality sleep can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. Number 6. Limit caffeine and alcohol intake. According to the Anxiety Depression Association of America, excessive caffeine and alcohol consumption can intensify anxiety symptoms. Be mindful of how these substances affect your anxiety levels and consider reducing or eliminating them from your routine if necessary. Number 7. Seek support from loved ones. Kids Helpline emphasizes the importance of reaching out to trusted friends or family members when you're feeling anxious. Talking about your worries and concerns can provide relief and a fresh perspective. Remember, you don't have to face anxiety alone. Number 8. Practice relaxation techniques. The website mind.org.uk suggests trying techniques like progressive muscle relaxation, guided imagery, or listening to calming music. Find out what works best for you and incorporate relaxation exercises in your daily routine. Number 9. Establish a routine. According to Healthline, having a structured daily routine can provide a sense of stability and reduce anxiety. Set specific goals for each day, prioritize tasks, and create a schedule that balances work, leisure, and self-care activities. Number 10. Consider therapy or counselling. If anxiety becomes overwhelming, seeking professional help can make a significant difference. Websites like Beyond Blue recommend exploring therapy options like cognitive behavioural therapy, CBT, or speaking to a licensed therapist who specialises in anxiety disorders. And there you have it, 10 effective ways to deal with anxiety. Remember, what works for one person may not work for another, so don't be discouraged if some strategies take time to find success with. Incorporate these techniques into your life, experiment with them, and find the combination that works best for you. And if you need additional support, don't hesitate to reach out to mental health professionals or helplines available in your area. Take care of yourself, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay strong, and bye for now.